The quest for the secrets behind the remarkable longevity of Mediterranean populations has long fascinated scientists and nutritionists alike. Central to this pursuit is the Mediterranean diet, renowned not only for its health benefits, but also for its rich use of olive oil. Recent groundbreaking research by Dr. David Sinclair has shone a new light on this ancient dietary staple, revealing a specific acid. We'll call it longevity acid. Watch to the end to find out what the real name for longevity acid is, and also how you can multiply its effects with biohacking. It's a predominant monounsaturated fat found in olive oil, a pivotal component contributing to the extended lifespan and robust health of Mediterranean communities. Dr. Sinclair's study delves into the molecular mechanisms through which longevity acid exerts its potent effects, including improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and enhanced metabolic function. These findings underscore the integral role of diet in promoting longevity and offer compelling evidence for the incorporation of these acid-rich foods, particularly olive oil, into our daily nutrition regimen. As we unravel the complexities of dietary influences on health, Dr. Sinclair's research marks a significant milestone in our understanding of the link between the Mediterranean diet and a long, happy life. Longevity acid is structurally characterized by its 18 carbon atoms and a single double bond, positioning it within the omega-9 fatty acid family. Its chemical structure imparts a fluidity and stability to cell membranes, influencing overall cellular health and function. The Mediterranean diet, celebrated for its centenarians and contribution to longevity and reduced disease risk, is characterized by a high consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and, importantly, olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is a staple fat source, rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. Also, make sure you check out the links in the description for our most popular recommendations for natural weight loss, lowering blood sugar, improving memory, brain health, joint pain, and boosting energy levels. This diet pattern also includes moderate fish consumption, minimal red meat, and moderate red wine intake, aligning with a balanced and nutrient-rich approach to eating. One of the key mechanisms identified is longevity acid's ability to activate sirtuins, a group of enzymes involved in cellular health and longevity. Sirtuins influence a wide range of metabolic processes, including fat storage, insulin response, and the repair of damaged DNA, all of which are pivotal in aging and chronic disease development. Longevity acid has been shown to improve cholesterol profiles by increasing HDL, good cholesterol levels, while reducing LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, leading to a lower risk of heart disease. This aligns with epidemiological data suggesting that populations consuming diets high in monounsaturated fats, like the Mediterranean diet, have lower incidences of cardiovascular diseases. Please subscribe to support the channel and leave a comment saying "I subscribed," and I'll personally reply to your comment. Central to this process are sirtuins, a family of proteins that play critical roles in cellular health, metabolism, and the aging process. Sirtuins can influence a wide array of cellular functions, including DNA repair, inflammation reduction, and mitochondrial efficiency, which are pivotal for slowing down the aging process and preventing age-related diseases. Research suggests that longevity acid promotes the activation of sirtuins, particularly SIRT1, which is often referred to as a longevity gene. SIRT1 activation by this acid involves the enhancement of NAD+ levels, a coenzyme vital for energy metabolism and sirtuin function. Increased NAD+ levels bolster the activity of SIRT1, enabling it to more effectively carry out its roles in cellular repair, maintenance, and the promotion of metabolic health. This activation mechanism highlights the intricate relationship between diet, metabolic health, and longevity. By influencing the activity of longevity genes like SIRT1, this acid offers a molecular link between the consumption of certain dietary fats and the promotion of a longer, healthier life, underlying the potential of diet as a powerful tool in the modulation of aging and longevity. The transformative research on longevity acid, led by Dr. David Sinclair, has prompted a re-evaluation of dietary fats and their role in promoting health and lifespan. While the findings offer compelling evidence of longevity acid's benefits, they also introduce considerations for diet and longevity that extend beyond the confines of the laboratory. These implications are particularly relevant in a world grappling with rising rates of chronic diseases and aging populations. Firstly, the research underscores the importance of the quality of dietary fats. Unlike most saturated and trans fats, which are linked to adverse health outcomes, monounsaturated fats offer protective benefits. By activating sirtuins and improving metabolic health, longevity acid-rich diets could serve as accessible, non-invasive strategies for extending healthy lifespans. This is particularly significant for populations with limited access to healthcare or those seeking preventative measures against age-related diseases. You will discover the name of the longevity acid in a few moments, but first, make sure to check out the links in the description for our most popular recommendations for natural weight loss, improving memory, brain health, lowering blood sugar, and boosting energy levels. Okay, so what is this longevity acid called? Its name is oleic acid. Individual responses to oleic acid and other dietary components can vary based on genetics, gut microbiota, and lifestyle factors. This underscores the importance of personalized nutrition in optimizing health outcomes and longevity. Dr. Sinclair's work could stimulate innovation in the food industry, leading to the development of products enriched with oleic acid and other health-promoting compounds. Discover your superhuman capabilities with biohacking. Watch the video above.